Actor, boogie manager. Took the ring, pawned it for an Acura. Sound barrier, hardcore bullet, full front bullet. Catch it, can't run it, who's different footage? Brick City, suspects, put it. Go down my watch me. To the trees, attack the sharks in the deep blue sea. Aim lock on, golden eye, war in the snowstorm. With double the turn the lights on. Motherfuckers, blow your horn. Just smash up, that smoking fucking bitch. Motherfuckers, blow your horn. Just smash up, yo, smash up, yo.
What happened to you?
It was too Grinch.
Someone just say Grinch.
No, sir, the boys didn't see any Grinch.
He was right after it.
I think they were just up on the mountain playing with matches or defacing public property or...
Oh, well, that's a relief.
All right, you heard the man. There's no Grinch problem here.
Come out the tree with Christmas stuff.